Tara, game!
Okay, 2-0. Eight seconds to shoot. Okay, no good. Gian, easy two. Kuching to Surrey still. Mel, no good. Good up, good. Wala daw foul. Tawag lang agad. No good by Carl. Rebound by Jerome. Pinasa kay Jeff. Jeff, nag-aanap ng pampasan. 8 seconds to shoot. Bad pass. Time remaining 6 minutes 35 seconds. Score 0-4. Steal by Carl. Carl, 2 points. Grabe, may running shot na yun ha. Score 2-4. Three points by Marky. Score 2-7. Number 0. Time remaining 5 minutes 40 seconds. Marky to Gian. Munti ka nang mawala. 10 seconds to shoot. Gian to Marky. 5 seconds. Marky, no good. Number 0, nagmamadali. Pinaliwapan number 0, easy 2. Score 4-7. Munti kang pang mawala. Gian. Nice pass. Pasa mo pa yun. No good. Martin. Nice pass na ako ni Gian. Gian. 2 points. Magandang paggamit ng katawan niya. Teo. Jerome. 2 points in your face. Score 6-9. Mel. Nice pass to Sir Ray. Steal. Okay, nakuha. Umikot. Grabing ikot yun. Munti ka na. Okay, good up. Foul down, foul. Naiwan na, sayang. Time remaining 3 minutes 50 seconds. Nice pass. Pero nakuha. Uy, ang lakas lang. Time remaining 3 minutes 30 seconds. Mel. Dribbling the ball na spin ni Carl. Nakuha ni Martin. Okay. 3 minutes 15 seconds. Jeff, 2 points. Score 8-9. Bad pass by Martin.
Check ko na sa bahay.
Nandiyan na. No good by Mel. Nakuha ni number 0. 0 to Teo. Teo nag-hesitate. Carl. 2 points. Lamang na po ang team. Jeff. Score 10-9. Score 10-9. Martin, pinasa kay Martin. Binalik kay 5 seconds to shoot. Martin, dire-diretso. Puti ka na. Kala ko, shoot yun. Nice! Jeff, 2 points. Nice hustle by Orpilia. No good na ako ni Gian. Easy 2. Score 12-11. Number 0. Okay, fall down. 1 minute 30 seconds, 14 to shoot. Gian, kung ide-diretso, isasasaw na lang. Munti ka na. Martin, easy 2. Lamang na uli sila Gian ng isa, 12-13. Kochi. Nice number 0, pero may foul. Time remaining 59.7, 14 to shoot. Wala po tayong first ball mga bossing. Oh! Carl. Pumake, pinasa kay Teo. Teo, pinuyagsa. Nakita si Carl. 2 points by Orpilia. Score 13-14. Easy 2, binawi agad ni Alejo. Last 29 seconds. Teo, nice pass. Number 0. No good. Last 16 seconds. Last 10 seconds. 8 seconds. Same ball. 6.7 seconds. 6.7 seconds. Bad pass. Okay, wait lang. Labas muna. Labas lang. Wait lang. .8 seconds sa game. 4 seconds. 2 seconds. And... Okay. Score 14-15. Lamang ng isa at team nila Gian. Dito bola ha, change court. Ha? O, inom muna kayo. Score 15-14. O, uminom na po yung iinom.
Yung bola dito Gian. Change court inyo dito.
Remind ko lang po dun sa mga bago, wala po tayong first ball.
Dalig ka eh. Pati dapat kayo.
Okay, back to the ball game. Pwesto na po yung depensa. Wait lang si Jeff.
Kanila. Hindi, kanina dito. Wait lang, labas lang.
Labas lang.
Bye, go, boss. Mamaya, 175. Oh, sige. Mamaya na. Mamaya, wait lang. After neto.
Okay, game. 14 seconds to shoot lang ha. 3 points by Marky. Pinabibilib po tayo ni Marky. Ilang linggo na sharp shooting.
Nice go, nice go.
Score 18-14. Coaching Vinuelsa. Nakuha ni Teo. 8 seconds to shoot. Nice pass. Oh!
Nakadali yan. Panis kanina si Gian eh.
Score 20-14. Nice pass to Teo. Oh! Sayang. Mahaba lang ang bakasyon niya, kaya ganyan. Oh! Nakapasa ko pa yun. Okay, last touch by Alejos. 6 minutes, 51 seconds. 14 to shoot. Long 2 lang po long 2. Long 2. Score 20-16.
Long to lang yun.
Kung umatras lang ng konti, 3 points na eh. Alejos, dribbling the ball. Nice pass. Hindi lang nasa loob. Nakatawid yun sa ilalim. Apat lang po, apat lang ang kalamangan ng Team Gian. Malayo, kitang-kita. Last 6 minutes. Alejos, mukhang idediretso. Alejos, easy 2. Okay, foul na daw.
Nice foul, nice foul.
Nice! Uy! Sayang! Nasanay nakakampi eh. 2 points by Alejos. 24-16. Both teams may dalawang timeout pa ha. 3 points by number 0. 24-19. Lamang pa po ng 5 ang team ni Marky. Uy, Martin to make, binalik kay Alejos. 8 seconds to shoot. Marky 3. Grabe. Oh, muntikan na naman. Huwag nyo na pong hahayaan yun. 2 points by Jerome. 27-21. 6 po ang hinahabol. Mahaba pa ang oras. No good. Rebound by Kochi. Good po good ha. Oy, bad pass by Alejos. Time remaining 4 minutes, 8 seconds. Number 0. Oy, sayang. Nauna yung bola sa kamay eh. Martin, 2 points. Coast to coast by Martin. 29-21. No good. Rebound by Sir Ray. Sir Ray, mukhang ide-diretso. Sir Ray, no good. Rebound by number 0. Okay lang, nakakuha na naman eh. O dito daw. Nakakuha na naman yung tire. Huwag ka dun sa may street line, dun sa grid. Wait. Number 0, no good. Rebound by Martin. Martin, mukhang ikaw coast to coast. Martin, nice pass to Alejos. Alejos to Martin. Ang ganda naman nun. Uy. Two minutes, 30 seconds, 14 to shoot. Martin, no good. Rebound by Sir Ray. Easy two by Sir Ray. Score 31-21. No good. Oy, na-pressure ni Kochi. Block by Gian. Sakto. Parang may poste eh. Okay, foul daw, foul. 1 minute 38 seconds, 14 to shoot. 10 po ang hinahabol. Gian, no good. Magkakaroon ba ng miracle? 2 points by Jeff. 1 minute 20 seconds. Walo na po ang kinahabol.
Wala pa.
Second quarter.
Na-late eh.
Tama lang pala.
8 seconds. One minute, 9 seconds remaining. Kaya pa yan. Huwag lang kayong bibitaw. Koching easy. Oy! Last touch by Alejos. Last 1 minute, 14 to shoot. Orquilla, 2 points. 6 po ang hinahabol, 6. Wait!
Okay.
Bad pass, 6 lang po ha. 6 lang ang hinahabol. Marky, no good. Rebound by Jeff, last 48 seconds. 6 lang yan ha, 6 lang. Orpilla, puwersa. Orpilla, no good. Last 38 seconds. Ang ganda naman ang pasa doon. Last 28 seconds, 8. Last 20 seconds. No good. Last 15 seconds. Last 5 seconds. Okay.
Nice game, nice game.